Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas, and I'm going to talk about the item in the teacher. Start. Hello. Hello. My name is Nicolas, and you? My name is Juan. Okay, Juan. How much the computer? This computer? Yes, this computer. This computer, the price of this computer is $50. How much? $50. This computer is very intelligent. Has different application. You have connect with Wi-Fi. You can share with your family. Its computer is very expensive. Okay. Hello, hello. How much the handbag? This handbag? Yes, this handbag. The price on the handbag is $10. $10? Yes, $10. You can give a your wife. It had a beautiful color. It's bad, delicate, usual. Okay. Hello, hello. How much the cell phone? The cell phone? Yes, that cell phone. The price of the cell phone is $30. $30? Yes, but it's very expensive. Yes, it's very expensive because it has different application. It has Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You can call your mother, your father, and your family. Okay, okay, bye. Hello, hello. How much the eating? The eating? Yes, the price of the eating is $2. $2? Yes. This eating you have give your mother or push from the company other person. Its eating are blue, color blue. Okay, my friend. Okay. Hi. Hi. How much the watch? Watch? Yes. Who's the price? This watch is evaluated in $5. $5? Yes. How much? $5. It's very expensive. Yes, very expensive. This watch has for you call, for you chat with other person. This watch has alarm. Yes, yes. Okay, bye. Hello, hello. How much the Terry? Terry? Yes, that Terry. That Terry is very expensive. Yes, because it's very beautiful. But how much? $8. $8? Yes, $8. Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay, thank- okay, teacher. Thank you very much.